You can use Perplexity to only read content from a specific source or website. Let me give you one example. So I'm going to search who is Elon Musk, ? And then hit enter. And basically Perplexity will use its own search engine and will search website that contain the information that is related to the question, and it will read those websites, which in this case it reads in total 8 different websites from Wikipedia, Investopedia, from the X account of Elon Musk, and also BBC and many other websites, which I think is very useful. You can get a wide range of information from different sites. But what if you want to get information from, let's say, Wikipedia only? Is there any way to isolate everything and just answer from a specific website? The answer is yes, you can do that. So this is the technique that you can use in Perplexity. I'm going to start a new thread, and I'm going to be using the same prompt again. Who is Elon Musk? And here you can use this search operator, which is site and then colon, and then you can type the domain name of the website. So it is Wikipedia, sorry about that, wikipedia.org. And if you want to add another website, you can add a comma followed by the name of the website, which, let's say I want to add Britannica, etc. But in this case, I just want to use one website, which is Wikipedia. And after that, you can send the message. And by the way, maybe there is something here that I need to mention, is that you can use this technique on any model on Perplexity. But usually the reasoning model is the most reliable, because sometimes the regular model like GPT 4.1, Cloud Sonnet, etc., they are going to still read content from other websites. It's not always happen, but it could happen. So if you want to make AI to be much more reliable, then I do recommend using the reasoning models like R1, the 4o Sonnet Thinking, and also the O3 Mini on Perplexity. Anyway, as you can see, it is reading all the content from Wikipedia, and what's unique about Wikipedia is that it has multiple language versions, and that's why you see there is this version with Malay language. There is also, there are a lot of different languages, but basically you can see it is being dominated by wikipedia.org. So that's one technique that you can use, but there is another technique that you could utilize. So I guess I'm going to just edit this prompt, and I'm going to replace site wikipedia.org with only read or only source from let's say I want to use The Verge. So you can use a natural language to tell AI that you want only get information from this particular website, and AI will understand and will only get information from theverge.com. And as you can see, it is reading many articles that talks about Elon Musk. And yeah, you'll see a different information from Wikipedia, because it is, after all, a news site. So that's how you can use Perplexity to get information or make it read content from a specific website. Now, if you learned something from this video, then click the like, or you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.